fly high and the chickens cry. I'm climbing Green Hill to catch my fill of the birds and the bees and the sweet peach trees. In the winter time, I find my peace of mind in the bitter cold. Blowing my endless roll and wonder what I would do without you. Going back home, getting back home. Some folks say it's the middle of nowhere. I just say, what are you scared? So get prepared, ready to go. Put your truck in the lowest floor low. Wood to heat, fresh produce to eat. Come upstairs and I'll drop a fat beat. So turn it up, it's never too loud, cause I'm in the shroud of forest. No, there's not a single tourist. It's legit, VIP. If you're coming up, get ready to see birch, maple, and some oak. Would you mind to stoke up the fire? Raise your hands higher and higher, but please wear the right attire. Give him some Carhartts, a pair of Chippewas, so he can cut down trees with his new chainsaws. After that, it's time for a shower. Gotta go outside to turn on the power. I'm going back home. Getting back home. I don't think my tractor's sexy, but if you think so, you just text me 748-3990. But don't forget the 603 in front. No, let's just forget that. It's for fun, but now the real rap has begun. Green Hill's the place you go if you want time to flow real slow. Or get out of town, avoid awkward frowns, or just to get down. If you're looking for a place to hide, this is it. Escape from all sides, bullshit. So come on up, join the party. You're always welcome to come see me, MC DOB.